Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add billing first name in email order subject in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add custom code using WP code plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see subject order get billing first name. So when customer receive email, then billing first name is mentioned in email order subject. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page, click on proceed to checkout, and then customer fill information. Now you see our first name is Hassan. Now click on place order. Now you see thank you, your order has been received. Now go to email to check email order subject. Now we are in email, and then you see email order subject billing first name Hassan, and then you see thank for your order. Now back to code. Now we are in code, so you can add your custom message here according to your requirement, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.